السلام عليكم. أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا، كيف حالكم؟ عساكم أن تكونوا بخير أينما كنتم. أنا مدرسكم محمد سليم خان، وأرحب بكم في تعلم اللغة العربية بالطريقة العصرية والسهلة والسريعة. I am Muhammad Salim Khan, and I welcome you to the easiest and fastest way of learning Arabic. The course that you are going to learn Arabic from is called Arabic Between Your Hands. That means Arabic in your reach. If you're a complete beginner and don't have any knowledge of the Arabic language, it's not a problem. I will start with you from the beginning and teach you how to read, speak, and understand Arabic from scratch. When we talk about methods of learning a language, myself being an English language teacher and being an Arabic language teacher, I've seen that there are generally two methods that are used for learning any language. The first method is basically deductive method. And in this method, language is learned and taught through grammatical structures, where you learn the grammatical structures first, and then you move on to the text. Whereas the second method is called inductive method. And in inductive learning, there is a process where the learner learns through texts, dialogues, and exercises, and discovers rules by observing examples. It's an interactive and immersive course which enables you to learn Arabic naturally, as it covers a lot of vocab through pictures, images, and using Arabic language only. It introduces the students to grammar later and gradually, rather than pushing them at the deep end before they can swim. Features of the course. It is a complete Arabic learning course and consists of 4 books, 2 parts each. It covers from beginner to advanced level that equal book 1, which is basically level 1, that equals A1. When we talk about book 2, it's basically level 2, that is A2. And then when we talk about book 3, it's basically B1. And when we talk about book 4, it's B2. So it's a complete course where you learn Arabic language from the beginning, from 0 to the advanced level. So you don't really need to watch random videos where you learn kind of some dialogues and kind of some vocab, and then keep on watching. And by the end of the time, you realize that you have watched so many videos, but you really did not learn anything. When we talk about this course, this is a complete course where the books will be available to you. I will just put the books in the description over there, so you can download them. Similarly, I will provide you with the presentations, so you can keep the presentations in front of yourself, and then you can follow the lessons on YouTube for your learning purpose. You can consider me as your personal tutor, as I will teach you the correct pronunciation. As you can see here, kha, and then we have ka. For example, kharra and karra. So we will definitely focus on the correct pronunciation. And then I will provide you word by word written translation of all the lessons and dialogues, as you can see over here. This is just an example. So we have the dialogues over there, and I will provide you with the translation, and at the same time, I will explain the grammatical structure as well. Similarly, I will solve with you all the exercises and provide you with the solutions so that you can follow up your learning. Similarly, I will explain all grammatical concepts with clarity. For example, as you can see here, ana means I, which is used for the male. Anta means you, that is used for the second person male. Anti is also you, that is used for the second person female. Huwa means he, that is used for the third person male, and hiya means she, that is used for the third person female. So like this, we will learn our grammatical structures towards the end of the lessons as well. And then I will also provide you the vocab as well vocab of everything that we are learning. For example, as you can see over here, you will get a complete idea of what the verb is. Is it the past tense or the present tense? Is it imperative, and what is the source? And then also you will get the translation as well. So we will categorize the vocab into verbs and nouns, because the Arabic language mainly consists of verbs and nouns. And then inshallah, on with that method, you will develop your vocab as well. And after completing the course, you will be able to speak and understand the Arabic language, write the Arabic script with ease, and similarly read the Arabic script and understand the Quran without translation. So this is also one of the purposes that will be fulfilled by completing this course. Thanks for watching the video, and سوف أراكم في الدرس القادم. I will see you in the next lesson. بداعا السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.